Sana Davao SMX training stage speaker. She's also USANA 15th year Family Feud speaker in Marriott Grand Ballroom Pasay, and also Asia Pacific Regional Convention featured speaker in Marina Bay Sands 2025. And last but not the least is she's a million peso achiever. Ayan. So guys, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Mentor Maria Helena D. Pon Langcuno, a registered nurse. Ayan. Good evening po, Mentor.
Good evening, Miss Bianca. O, diba? Si Coach Sean. Pag si Coach Sean, mag-ano, hindi ako makahindi. Para ko na yung kapatid sa business. Am I audible ba?
Yes pa.
Alright. So first of all, palakpakan niyo sarili niyo for being here tonight. Ayan. And pat yourself, no? Kasi, um, being with Usana for 15 years, maraming gustong mag-business with Usana kasi they see potential in Usana. But not everyone has that commitment, willingness to be a businessman or businesswoman. Yung process ng isang entrepreneur. Not everyone has that grit, has that commitment and willingness. So isa doon is attending trainings. Hindi naman to bago for anyone who have business. Training is always andyan. So being here tonight, no, regardless saan kayo, it's a big win for yourself. So before we start, can I ask, no, raise your hand na lang kasi I can see you naman din in screen. And for those na naka-camera, you will send, I think. Yeah, please, thank you. Sa mga hindi pa naka-on ang camera, can you turn on your cameras? And then if talagang signal is an issue, you can just type on the chat box. Sino dito has a full-time job or has another business, tapos you're doing Usana? Okay, ano na lang, number na lang. Type 1, if full-time ka talaga Usana, morning hanggang evening, no? Pagising mo, pagtulog mo, Usana ka talaga. Lang ang ginagawa mo. Type 2, if you have work, and then Usana, you have other business and Usana. Okay, si Miss Queen, 2, si Sir MJ, 2. Sino pa dito? Ayan. Come on, para alam natin. Ayan. If you cannot type, ano na lang, I can see you sa screen. 1 or 2 kayo. Full, number 1, pagising hanggang pagtulog, Usana na lang ang ginagawa mo. 2, if you have another, you have a job and then Usana, you have a business and then Usana, or you're a full-time mom or a full-time dad and then Usana. I think majority 2, tama? Yes! Gone are the days na talagang Usana ka lang umaga hanggang gabi. Kami yon. Generation namin yon. Kami nila Coach Sean ninyo. We've been in the business for more than a decade. So, as in, sobrang baliw sa Usana. Times have changed, okay? Times have changed, seasons have changed. And I am grateful to see the journey of Usana. Alam niya talagang looking back 15 years ago, and then Usana ngayon, talagang amazing, no? Amazing growth. Walang mga apps dati, walang Zoom, walang messenger calls. Wala to lahat. Talagang nagre-rent kami ng function room, nagbabayad kami lahat. It's very costly to do Usana before. It's very costly. Ngayon, it's doable. Agree? But the more naging doable, naging easy reason siya for some to quit early. I'm sure hindi kayo yun. Or not to do the business essentials. Okay? So being here tonight, congratulations. And ang goal natin tonight is to learn, tama? Okay? Goal natin tonight is to learn. Um, my goal for the training is to make it very simple. Kasi napaka-complicated na ng buhay. Let's make it very simple, doable, and action-oriented training. Okay ba yon? Yes, okay. So prepare your notebooks. Let's make this one an interactive training or pag may flash ako, sulat nyo na kaagad kasi the goal of this training is after the training, apply nyo na kaagad. Okay? So ano tayo? We learn the principle and then we do it. Okay? Pag nagkaroon tayo ng wins, then we can easily duplicate it or teach it to our associates. Alright. Ayan, mga baliw. Baliw pa rin sa iyo sana hanggang ngayon, di ba? Hindi ko akalain na abot, magsi 16 years na ako next year. Ganon, katagal. Di ba? So I'll just share my screen. Saan ang aking screen? Okay. Wait ha. Ayun. Desktop. Ayan, makita nyo ba? Wait lang ha. Ay, naku. Nag-record. Wait, wait. Ayan. Okay ba? Makita niyo ang screen? Alright. So, I'll just share my story a little bit. Kasi, ako yung tipong nag-Yusana, started single, and then I got married, and then I have kids. Okay? So, from full-time to life integration. Right? So, I'm Maria Helena Dipon Langkuna, a registered nurse, and ngayon I'm a mompreneur. Okay? Simple lang naman ang aking reason why I joined Yusana dati. Gusto ko ng pera. Sino dito na na-present sa inyo ang Yusana, hindi, na gusto mo naman yung products, but mas more gusto mo yung pera? Okay, let's be honest. Kasi nag-iba na ang panahon ngayon eh. Hindi na pera, products. Agree? Gusto nila i-try mo ng products bago gawin ng negosyo. Doon ako nahirapan na transition. Kasi kami dati, kahit anong products yan, basta kumita ng pera, go. O, 'di ba? Ngayon, iba. Ibang-iba. Nag-adjust din talaga ako sa panahon ngayon. Okay. Si Miss Queen, ano sa'yo, Miss Queen? Products or business? Business! Okay. There's nothing wrong ha, kasi iba-iba naman ang talaga ang ano per person. There's no right answer, there's no wrong answer. There is no like kung business talaga, asenso ka, kung product ka, hindi ka asenso. Iba-iba tayo eh. Ayan, sino dito? Type nyo. Assess nyo sarili nyo. Okay, sino dito pag na-present ang Yusana, gusto niya agad yung nagdingning ang mata sa business. Okay? Type 2 na lang. Type 1 kung business. Type 2, products. Try ko muna yung products. Ayan. Two products, no? One business. So, mix talaga. Ayan. Okay, sa mga clients nyo ngayon, ano ang majority when you present them Yusana? One, go agad sa business. Two, try ko muna ang products before I will go sa business. Two, two. Majority two na ngayon. Okay, talaga. Okay, yeah, two. Iba na ngayon eh. Kasi dati, walang other options for additional cash flow kundi network marketing. Kasi ang hirap ng direct selling eh. 'Di ba? Tupperware, Avon, ang hirap dun. But network marketing, parang hybrid siya eh, direct selling at the same time you earn um, rebates, no? Or collective income from the group. And then, yung nauso na yung online, marami ng options. 'Di ba? Dati, Usana or nothing lang kami. Ngayon, it's not Usana or nothing kasi there can be another options. Okay, Usana is one of the best options. Merong VA, merong work from anywhere, merong mga businesses din na may physical store and then you can also manage it online. So marami ng options. All right? So I agree with you guys too. Yeah. Even me. Okay, even me. Okay, so this is my overall story as of the moment. When I started Usana, ang nakita ko lang talaga income. Okay, wala akong other, kasi at that time, when I graduated 2008, passed the board exam on the same year, tapos recession. So, wala akong mahanap na work before, kundi mag-medrep. Okay, it was my mother, if she's here, she's the one who looked for a job for me. Kasi ayokong mag-volunteer, ayokong magbayad sa ospital. Gusto ko nang kumita agad ng pera. Okay? Gusto ko kumita ng malaking pera. Kasi, reality bites, hindi kasya yung minimum pay. At that time, no, 10,000, 8,000. If you just compute your lifestyle, hindi talaga kaya. So, my mom was the one who looked for a job for me. I became a medical representative. Doon ako namulat sa sales na malaki palang income. Yun nga lang pressure kasi may sales but malaki ang income. So I realized that higher income comes with a price. So I sacrificed my time for myself, tulog, time for my family. Eventually, yung health ko nag-give up dahil sa stress. So I developed stress-induced stage 3 skin asthma, yung nakita ni Miss Bianca. Si Coach Sean, nakita niya ako dati, di ba Coach? As in like, grabe. Wala akong pictures masyado nun. If you can check in my Facebook, ngayon lang ako nag-share niyan. 15 years after. nagkalkal ako sa aking Facebook, okay, ng aking mga pictures. And then, my allergologist recommended me to find a less taxing job. Okay, napaisip ako, meron bang less taxing job na malaki ang sahod? Parang wala. So eventually, I decided to go home to Davao. Sige, sabi ko, sige, mag-nursing na lang ako, mag-abroad na lang ako. And then, lo and behold, I'm allergic to gloves. Sabi ko, paano to? I'm allergic to extreme cold. So, hindi ako pwede sa Australia, New Zealand, and US. I'm allergic to stress. Kasi nga, ang taas na ng cortisol level ko. And then, Yusana came into my life in a most unexpected way. When it was presented to me, napaka-negative ko sa industry. But I trust, keynote ha, key term, I trust the person who invited me. Sulat niyo yung trust kasi ma-relate natin yan mamaya. So sabi ko, si Mentor Lai, hindi naman to, mahirap si Mentor Lai, ano eh, taas ng standard niya. Okay, magkasama kami medrep from a different company in Cebu. Ah, hindi kami close sa area kasi nga competitor kami eh. But we know we came from Davao. So eventually nakita kami sa Davao. She presented Yusana to me and she see Yusana as a opportunity for her to get out of the rat race and to build a financial life with Yusana. So I didn't tell my family. My brother is here. Kasi alam ko, negative sila nito sa industriyang ito. Pinaaral ka, tapos, my family is from Cebu. I graduated in Cebu Doc. So, pinaaral ka ng magandang school, tapos mag-network marketing ka. So, talagang, ay, no, no. So, I don't have capital, I don't have connections in Davao, and I don't have business skills. I just said yes. Okay? I just learned through trainings, just like sa inyo. And eventually, maganda ang takbo ng negosyo for the first 6 months. Okay, I earned almost, disclaimer, no, talagang yusanin, pagising, pagtulog, training, talagang grabe, no, hataw na hataw. I earned almost 400,000 in 5 months. So, I decided na, sige, i-full-time ko na. And God tested me for a decade. Talagang seryoso ako sa negosyo ko. So now, I'm a mom. Okay, ito na ang buhay ko ngayon. I'm a mom, I'm a homemaker, a public servant's wife, and a mompreneur who's passionate about life and purpose. So despite life juggles, you don't have to choose between being a mom or building your career because you can be beautifully be both. Nung unang panahon, there's no such thing as option as that. It's either you can be a mom or career. Agree? Sa panahon ngayon, through this online digital world, you can be both. And I'm grateful I choose Yusana as my vehicle 15 years ago because ngayon, I can say, ako yung associate or brand partner na, kasi I'm doing Yusana alone. No, I just expose my husband. If may mga partners dito ha, partners niyo, parents niyo, relatives niyo, ito ang pinaka expensive, painful learning experience ko inyo sana. Dragging my husband to this business. Kasi yung turo sa amin eh. Dati. Okay. Napakamali. It was a very painful financial loss. Okay. Season in my life. Dragging your family, dragging your business partners inyo sana. The keyword doon, o type nyo keyword, expose and immerse. Expose them, immerse them, include them, and do not share your struggles to them because they love you, they want you to quit. Okay? So, sa years of dragging my husband, okay, at least naman the good side kasi na-immerse na siya. Alam niya na yung ginagawa ko inyo sana. Okay? So, pag okay yung family mo, okay yung partner mo with your business by just exposing them, sharing them your wins, immersing them, do not drag them, do not force them, let them take the product. It will make your business lighter. Okay? Ayan. So that's me right now. So ako yung associate na binild, alam to ni Coach yun eh, kami ni Coach MJ, magkasama kami niya noon. Um, through the repeat orders of Usana, ang passive sa akin na repeat order na sa 40 to 60,000 a month. Okay na ba yun? Okay. But sa panahon ngayon, kulang yun. No? Pag may pamilya ka, talagang kulang yung 40 to 60,000 a month. But that's a passive income from the repeat orders. Okay? So, that's coming from the brand partners. Yan, sila Mentor Zoe, Mentor Josan. Sa tatlong brand partners ko on my right side, okay na yung 5,000 to 6,000 points ko per week. Okay? Ang left side ko, ang I'm building, no? Building new market kasi talagang nag-ibang panahon ngayon. Yung kasama ko nung unang panahon, the majority of them stayed. But nung nagka-digital, the more accessible, mabilis ang aking transition. Okay, bago, maraming bago. Okay, anong lesson doon? Um, as you build your business, any business, di ba yung mga franchise, ang dami nilang branches, you will never know saan doon ang malakas ang production, at saan doon ang magko-close, and saan doon parang okay lang. So just continue sharing and building. Eventually, makuha mo din yun. Okay? So, yeah, repeat orders 40 to 60,000 a month. And I'm grateful for that because through that, I can be a present mom to my kids. Alam niyo, buhay ko. This were alayo ng bahay namin. We live in a farm. So we have to travel 20 to 22 kilometers a day sa city to hatid my kids. So my day-to-day, hinatid ko yung kids sa city, go back to our munisipyo for the LGU. Ngayon lang ako, alam niyo, yung work ko ngayon is part-time work, full-time Yusana and Nanay. So that's my public service aspect in my life. So nag-meeting kanina sa LGU in the morning, nag-report ako, and then after lunch, meeting for athletes' parents, and then wait for my kids, uwi ng bahay, dinner with the family, prepare my slide, and then Yusana. Okay, so yan na yung aking routine ngayon. And I'm able to do that because I have a cash flow from Yusana. Okay, gusto niyo ba yun? Na eventually, no, magkaroon, yun naman talagang goal ng negosyo, di ba? Magkaroon tayo ng passive income or cash flow. So, I have a question. Okay, I have a question sa inyo. Kasi business is numbers. Okay? My mentor, I know you know her, mentor Daisy Balaguer. She's a Chinese, di ba? And Chinese is iba eh. Iba sa magnegosyo. They work by the numbers. Kasi business is just numbers. So if you know the number, you can work your way backwards. And through that, hindi ako nape-pressure sa mga anong incentive ng company. Okay? Kasi you know where you are and you know what numbers you're getting. So, ang masabi ko lang sa inyo, ang goal natin sa business as an entity, is it will give us a passive income and it is solid and mabuild yung foundation. Okay? Alright. So, ito question ko sa inyo. Ayan. I-type nyo dito. How many customers or product movement do I need to earn $1,000 per week? Alam niyo, etong tinuturo ko sa inyo, this is from Mentor Daisy. Her more than 30 years, decade experience and mindset in business. Okay? So when she taught this to us, dito na ako nakatingin. Ito na yung roadmap ko. And a good thing, Yusana na mismo nagbibigay ng incentives if you're able to hit that certain mark. Dati kami pa, di ba, Coach Sean? Galing pa sa income namin ang pangpa-incentive. Ngayon, corporate na. Ayan, well, guess lang. How many customers or product movement do I need to earn $1,000 per week? Coach Len, bakit customers? Bakit product movement? Di ba kailangan kong mag-sponsor? Yes, for brand partners. Pero brand partners without production, or like Jollibee, McDo, wala man lang client, and then walang business doon. Okay? But a branch, no? Your branch has movement, no? Product, business is good. But any business has a um, net number of income para masabi mong may income. Okay? Nagbi-business ka nga, may income, pero losing pala. So there's a median, no? Na yan yung median numbers para makapag-break even ka or somehow na may income yung business mo. Any wild guess? Again, you can type, no? Wild guess lang. How many customers or product movement do I need to earn $1,000 per week? Any idea? Any guess? Ay, hindi daw nag-move ang slides ko? Coach Sean? Miss Bianca? Ay, nagmo-move ba?
Coach, sa ano pa lang po, intro.
Ay, okay. Hala, bakit ganun? Wala? Yan, nakita nyo. Anong nakita nyo?
Yung ano po,
Okay, stop siya. Oh, thank you for sharing. Sige, ano ko na lang siya. Nakakaano pa kasi siya eh. Okay. Just give me a few minutes lang. Ayan, so while waiting, no, i-download ko lang siya as ano. Okay, ma-open ko na siya. Share. Ayan, makita?
yes po, full screen po yung nakikita namin.
Yan, nagbo-move na?
Yes po.
Ayan, okay. Oh, so yan yung ano ko kanina. Thank you ha.
I'm a mom po
Okay.
yung nakikita namin, mentor.
Ayan, okay, good. So you can take a screenshot of that kasi baka may mga associates kayong nakaka-relate sa journey ko. Ayan. So i-maintain nyo na rin. Baka may mga people kayo na viewers na, ay, gusto ko yan. No? I can be a mom, I can be a whatever. No, I don't have to choose between career or mom kasi ako yun, 'di ba? Ayan. Oh, ito yung tanong kanina. How many customers or product movement do I need to earn $1,000 per week? Okay. Any ano? Yeah, si Stephen, si Malika. Alam niyo kids ko, I expose them to you sana. I just expose them. Memorize na rin nilang mag-present kasi naririnig na lang ako every day. Okay, my kids also shares Yusana to their classmates, Yusanimals. Ayan, Coach MJ, 11 to 12 sales essentials. Okay, anyone? How many customers or product movement do I need to earn per week? 100, wow ha? 147 pairs. Okay, per week. Ayan. Okay, sulat yung mga answers niyo. If you're not comfortable typing, sulat niyo lang sa notebook niyo. Okay? Para may well guess kayo. Nung tinanong to sa amin ni Mentor Daisy, sabi ko, una, no, lahat naman ng, kaya kami nga medrep, alam namin yung target namin. Kasi when we hit that target, 50% mahit namin, okay yung company. Tapos sa'yo sana, wala akong target. Parang go lang ng go. Okay? Alam niyo eh, pag alam natin yung numbers, um, madali yung it's gonna be magaan no pagbi-build ng business mo. All right? 200 pair of essentials. And my mother dear is here. And my mother is my number one supporter at the same time number one negatrons yan sila si Mentor Zoe and my mother dear. Mga negatrons na naging positrons. 200 pairs of essentials. Ayan. Okay. So that yeah, tandaan niyo mga answers niya. Okay, next question. How many customers do you Ngayon, how many customers do you have? Okay, type. How many customers do you have right now? Can be like they're ordering every month or every 2 months or every 3 months kasi yung iba no ubos after 3 months, yung iba naman every month. Ayan, how many customers do you have? Go, go, go. No judgment naman tong training na to, di ba? Ayan, how many? Or hindi kayo naglilista? Ayan. Ayan, si Coach MJ4, si Miss Rizan 10. Good. Okay, go, go, go. My new list is 29. That's good. 14. Sir Richard 14. Okay, go, go, go. Alright. Yeah, dapat talaga ilista. Okay? So, ano din, no? Quote and quote, highlight word for tonight, lista. Database is the most important document in any business. And isa yan sa nakita ko inyo sana. Yusana, nagbe-business sa Yusana, they don't list. Okay, nasa mind lang nila. Right? But lahat ng negosyo, naka-database ang customer list. Okay? So, ikaw bahala sa starting ngayon, if you're not doing it, so assignment mo yan this week, ikaw bahala kung digital, naka-Excel, or sulat. Okay? So, ako currently, I have collective 150 customers per 15 years. Yung iba every month, yung iba every week, yung iba naman every 2 months, yung iba naman pag may budget. Okay. Yes, lahat ng negosyo. Yan si Coach Chat. Ayan si Coach Chat. Chinese na Chinese to eh. Lahat ng business may database. Okay? Kung ang doktor nga may patient's record, ikaw pa kaya. Okay? Database. Database na madala mo siya all the time. So ako ay nasa laptop ko kasi dinadala ko laptop ko all the time. Okay? Alright? So yan yung assignment natin tonight. If we don't document our prospect list, yes, ako din naka-record, no? Sino yung umorder this month? Okay. Ilan yung product movement per week, per month, ganun. Para lahat ng negosyo ganun, di ba? Let's treat our Usana business a billion-dollar business kasi ganun naman talaga yung negosyo natin. Agree? Okay, next. How many brand partners do you have in your left and right business center? Business center 1 lang pinag-usapan natin ha. How many brand partners do you have in your left and right business centers actively doing Usana on auto order? 10 ba left and right? 20, 5, 4, building. Building is normal. How many brand partners do you have in your left and right business centers? Ayan. It's okay. Diba, nabasa ko nga kanina yung story ni Starbucks. When Starbucks, Mr. Schultz stepped down as nagka-hands-on sa business, bumaba yung business, nag-close siya ng ilang branches, di ba? More than 1,000. And then he got back on business, like hands-on a building again, then nag-grow yung business. So, ako duman din ako, okay, there's no such thing as attrition, Miss Queen. Okay? And there's no such thing as rebuilding mode. Ganon din kami dati no attrition, rebuilding, and perpetual building, that's true in any business. Nakahanap ba kayo na, nag-stop ba ang McDonald's mag-expand? Nag-stop ba ang 7-Eleven mag-expand? Hindi, di ba? Si Usana, nag-stop ba maggumawa ng products? Ang dami. Wala. Okay? So, Miss Queen, I'll just correct, no? Not correct. Let's change the perspective of attrition and rebuilding. Di ba, sa Robert Kiyosaki, 95% are on the right quadrant, 5% on the left quadrant, 5% lang on the right quadrant, business and investors, and only 1 to 3% from the 5% will really be a perpetual entrepreneur. Why? It's not because business per se, but the journey itself, no? The emotion, how nag-expand ba yung emotional adversity quotient mo? Okay, it's not pataasan ng IQ. It's your capacity to hold all the ups and downs, the craziness of business. So if you have that, pang perpetual building tayo. So my dear teammates, I would like to share sa inyo for my 15 years in journey with Usana. Not all will be a perpetual brand partners. Some will decide to be a retailer along the way. Life happens. Some decided to be a customer and would just love to recommend and share Usana without pressure. So I have a new brand partner. Napaka-excited niya. Okay? Ang basehan, PPPS. Kasi dyan yung pressure, di ba? Which is the normal thing that we do. So doon nila mag-gauge ang sarili nila. Kaya ba nila ang ganitong pressure? Or ayaw nila ng ganong pressure? Okay, some would just love, yeah, that's true. And only 2%, no, let's talk about numbers. It's not from me, it's from Eric Worre, if you know him. Only 2% will really be your leaders na brand partners. Okay? So tayo, if you are this person, if ikaw yun, yung talagang perpetual business builder ako, hindi naman business builder, negosyo ko to, okay? Wala namang negosyante na nagbibigay ng, have you seen a businessman pag nag-open ng business hanggang 5 years lang to, kuklose ko na. Okay, 6 months lang, try ko, maglawas ako ng pera. Kung wala, ikaw close ka na. May ganun bang negosyante? Wala. Lahat ng negosyante, they would think of ways and means to grow their business. They know 1 to 2 years is learning. They know 5th year mark is nakatawid sila. 10 years is the foundation. 20 years is talagang solid. And 50 years, 100 years and above. Okay? So, if you are that kind of person, perpetual building tayo. Kasi we never know, some of your brand partners will be your perpetual builders, some of your brand partners will decide to be a retailer and consumer along the way. Yung iba months, yung iba years, yung iba decades, and some will decide na consumer lang muna ako. Okay? So, let's get to the numbers. Ayan. So, yung tanong natin kanina, how many customers do you need pala yan? Okay, do you need? Per brand partner to ha, 10 to 15 loyal customers per month. Yung na-share ni Coach MJ kanina, 12 to 15 sales essentials. Yes, per month, per person. Okay? So if you have 4 brand partners, customers, so alam mo na, I have to increase my loyal customers. Okay? So yung nga sabi ko kanina, na-sustain ko yung ganung cash flow is because like in my left market, isa, isa lang doon ang active brand partner. Pero majority sa kanila doon, weekly nagre-repeat order kasi nga consumer sila, nagre-retail sila. May mga customers silang kinikip. Okay? May mga doctors, may market or maraming doctors, weekly sila nag-order. Okay? So that's my strategy. I look as a business mindset, no? You expand to a network that there is a continuous flow of movement of products. Kasi nabubuhay ang negosyo natin because of products, tama? Kung walang products, patay na rin ang negosyo. Lahat ng business products naman, no? The product or service that they offer. Okay? So screenshot this one. How many customers do I need, no, per month na healthy yung business mo? 10 to 15 loyal customers per month. Okay? So expand your customer list. And some of your brand partners will decide to be a customer. And assess nyo ngayon, if you have brand partners, pag-usapan nyo, meron ka bang 10 to 15 product movement every month or nag-order? Or sometimes one person, marami siyang orders. Agree? And also ask yourself, nakaabot ba ako ng 10 to 15 customers per month? Alright? So next, how many brand partners do you have in your left and right market? Ilang brand partners pa ang kailangan ko, Coach Len? Para makuha ko yung $1,000 per week in Usana, which is the passive income of your business center 1. It's 10. 10 on your left and 10 on your right. Dali lang isulat, no? 10. But you need, not all, okay? Not all will be a perpetual builder. At least you have the number. That's why tayo na perpetual builders, we continually expand through sponsoring, share. We don't sell, we share. Okay? Kasi we never know along the way sino doon. And you never know, yung brand partner mo pala is a connector to an active brand partners. Okay? So are we learning so far? So we talk about numbers kasi business is numbers eh. Okay? At ako gusto ko naman yung motivation and inspiration, pero mas gusto ko yung ano ba? Ano ba yung numbers para makuha ko yan? Okay? So motivation and inspiration and yung exact numbers kasi this is business. Okay, this is business. So again, personally, we need 10 to 15 loyal customers per month. So having more than 20 to 50 or more customer is a must kasi hindi naman lahat nag-order every month. Okay? Or meron kang an institution or a partner who has a network that there is a flow of product movement. Okay? So hindi yan 1:1 lang. It can be one institution with maraming product movement. So it can be a mabilis mag-retail, or it can be a clinic or a gym or a spa, mga ganun. Alright? And then how many brand partners do we need minimum for us to earn $1,000 per week? That's 10 brand partners, active brand partners on our left, 10 on our left, and 10 on our right. Right? So, paano ba natin gawin yon? Okay? So before I proceed to our next slide, I would like to ask you, um, my question is, madali bang mag-develop ng 20 brand partners, na 10 on your left and on your right, in the business? Type 1 if yes, type 2 is if it's challenging. Ayan. So congratulations if challenging, meaning nagnenegosyo talaga tayo. As hindi siya challenging. Hindi natin ginagawa yung business, di ba? Yeah, so two. And the good news is hindi lang tayo. All businesses feels the same. Okay? Feels the same. So ako, may personal experience ako with a franchise. So we have a franchise, a pharmacy na franchise. I can say kami yung branch na not performing, no? Hindi nakaabot ng 5 years, nagsarado na kami. Kasi hindi kaya ang sales. Dapat yung sales namin 100,000 a month para break my profit and my pang-operating expense. Ang profit namin 50,000 lang. Negative pa, minus OPEX, minus repurchasing the stock. So it's very important we know how much is the minimum baseline of our business for us to earn profit. Okay? Kasi pag walang profit, malulugi. And eventually, the business will close. And that's what happened to, na-realize ko to my brand partners who were not able to sustain the business kasi they are losing in the business. Okay? And I pray na hindi ma-realize to ng mga nagdenegosyo, especially inyo sana. Ayan. So how are we going to do it? We strengthen our customer care program. Customer doesn't mean, customer means users mo, retailers mo, brand partners mo, prospects mo. Okay? Those are your prospects. No? Customer care program. You strengthen that. Kasi iba ng labanan ngayon. Okay? Marami bang nag-share ng Usana? Yes. Tama? So the question is, why you? Okay? Why you? Maraming nag-use sana. Okay? Why you? So and everything is ikaw. If you have two friends, example na lang, if you have two friends na may spa, yung isa close na close mo talaga and magandang relationship ninyo. Yung isa naman, choco lang. Saan ka pupunta? Diba dun sa close friend mo? Okay, lalo na if maganda yung service niya. Same thing din with your Usana business. Bakit ikaw? Sa dami nag-Usana. Okay? So how are we going to do that? Before I proceed, I just screenshot this one. Bakit importante ang customer care program? So this is our retention and conversion tool to build a user-based organization in our Usana business. Okay? Don't get me wrong, hindi retailing ang focus natin. Okay? But selling is part of our business. And if we want to scale our business, we sponsor. And these brand partners also have their own network of consumers. Okay? So yung 10 na pinakita ko kanina, 10 brand partners on your left and your right, lahat ng 10 na yon, merong 10 to 15 loyal customers. Meaning business is booming. Okay? Kasi if 10 to 15 brand partners hirap sa 100 points auto order per month, then business is not good. 'Di ba? May negosyo pa. Papayag ka ba, Jollibee, walang hamburger na sale in a day? Hindi naman, 'di ba? Talagang mataranta ka, oh my God, bakit walang sale? So kaya may pakulo sila, si Jollibee nagsumasayaw sa daan. May mga pagano, no, visibility, 'di ba? So again, customer care program is your retention and conversion tool as you build your user-based organization or Usana business. Ako, I'm a fan of luxury brands, not because luxury branded ka na person, but I admire their workmanship, craftsmanship, and how they stay in business despite their prices. Hermes, ilang years na. Chanel, ilang years na. Dior, ilang years na. Why they are still in business. And after pandemic, nagmahal sila ng times 2. Why? I follow their PR and I always follow their company. Ang galing nila sa customer care program. So I have a batchmate in high school. Sa batch namin, siya lang yung, I think sa Mindanao, no? in Davao, no? Siya lang yung ini-invite ng Tiffany, ng Hermes, ng Bulgari, ng mga private dinners nila. Mga Patek company, mga Rolex company. And I asked her, paano ka na-invite? I'm one of their loyal customers. Loyal customer means not 1 million purchase per year, but a minimum of 10 million purchase per year. Ang galing nilang mag-alaga. So you can follow Michael, the PR of Hermes, Michael, I forgot his name, but you can search it. Ang galing niyang mag-PR. Okay? Lahat ng mga talents nila or loyal customers nila all over the globe talagang alagang-alaga. So pag ikaw na-post ni Michael sa kanyang social media, you are one of the cream of the crop na customer. Okay? So that's how they stay in business. So there's one interview in Porsche, how they stay in business. Their repeat sales, 80% from existing customers. Even Hermes, these luxury brands, their sales is from the repeat purchase of the customers, and from their customers, they also resell. Agree? Agree. Okay? In any business, ganun. It's a general principle. So again, customer care program, it is our retention and conversion tool as we build a consumer-based organization in our business. All right? So let's change our mindset. Hindi ko siya na-edit, sorry. Let's disregard this. Ito tayong maling mindset, no? Ang tingin natin sa users, no, or customers or product movement, ang tingin natin sa kanila pang-dispose ng products kasi marami pa akong products. Bentahan ko kasi pang points. Okay? So that's a wrong mindset. So let's shift that mindset with users are also valuable as brand partners. Sino bang magaling magchika kung maganda ang product mo? Nakatry ng product na magandang experience o hindi pa nakatry ng product? Nakatry. And yung brand partner na talagang magandang effect sa kanya sa product, magaling, ang very passionate din siya to share their experience. Okay? And your loyal users are your future brand partners. Why do you say that? I have brand partners after PPPS, naglaylo kasi hindi pala nila kaya yung pressure, hindi pa sila ready for the real business aspect of Usana. Then years after they decided na gusto ko mag-Usana. Okay? So meron din akong mga users, kayo din. I'm sure you have also users na naturally nag-share, nag-chichika sa kanilang family members. And nung na-present mo sa kanila ang Usana, ay ganito lang pala ang Usana, you just share your experience, no? You just share the products that you love, like, and trust to the people you know. And that's how we earn commissions. Okay? So kaya alagaan natin lahat ng kinds of customers natin. Ma-user man yan, ma-retailer man yan, ma-brand partners man yan, or the inactive brand partners. Okay? Are we learning? Yes. All right. So, from pangbentahan ko lang sila ng product para ma-dispose aking product and pang points to this kind of mindset. Ito yung sabi ko kanina. Noong pinakita to ni Mentor Daisy sa akin, sabi ko, oh, ito ang hinahanap ko. Okay? I'm okay with motivation, I'm okay with inspiration, but ang gusto ko is numbers in the business. Ilan ba talaga? Okay? Kasi nakakapagod mag-isip, oh my God, nag-attrition na naman ako. Parang doon nakafocus. But if we are aware of the number that we need for us to, you know, how much is how much in your business and how to earn that $1,000 per week, I mas gusto ko na building naturally in the business. Ayoko yung invest. Okay? Kasi if nag invest tayo, hindi ka nag-grow, nag-expand, ikaw pa rin yun. Pera mo yun. Okay? And we cannot buy people's commitment and we cannot buy people's willingness to learn. But we can buy their enrollment. But understanding business, we need to build, no? These people, sila mismo ang gustong mag-business and willing to learn. Okay? So with this number, kung makita nyo dyan sa taas, here, ayan. What if one brand partner at 100 points every month? That's auto order. So what if you have 10 brand partners on your left, 10 brand partners on your right at 100 points auto order? That's 1,000 points. Tama? Right? So, with change mindset, no? 1 yan ha, hindi 10. Okay. What if one brand partner, since you increase your own personal customers to 10 to 15 loyal customers per month, and tama yung nakapag-share kanina ng 500 points per month. Okay? Hey, Miss Len, ang laki naman ng 500 points per month. Ano lang yan, 100 points lang yan per week kung i-divide mo. 'Di ba? Kung walang product movement per week, nako, ah, ah, ano yung business, okay? Parang, it's ano ba ang good term niyan? Okay, walang good term. Pag walang product movement per week, it means our business is not doing good. Okay? Ang doing good business is meron kang 100 at least product movement per week. Okay? Kasi ang business, magbe-business agad, hindi agad-agad yun. Sometimes it takes time for them na exposure, mag-try muna sila. But customers, ano yun, agad-agad. Alright? So, what if one business partner with 10 to 15 customers per month? And again, same number of brand partners, 10 brand partners on your left and 10 brand partners on your right. Ilan yun? That's 5,000 points. Okay? May nag-change ba sa brand partners? Wala. Ang change lang natin is yung movement or production or growth ng business. Okay? Is this helpful? So ito na ito rin ang benchmark ko. Every Sunday, nag-goal setting ako or nag-assess. Tinitingnan ko dito. Okay? With loyal customers, I'm already, alhamdulillah, I'm good with it. So, working on the brand partners. And I'm also helping my brand partners, no? Checking on them. Naka 10 to 15 loyal customers ka na ba? Ilang points yung personal sales mo this week? Ilan na yung loyal customers mo? Diba? So, business, we talk about numbers. And then, ilan na yung brand partners? Para you can strategize what are the things or activities you can do or help your teammates. Okay? So, this is our strategy. Ayan. So, may workshop tayo mamaya, ha? Okay, this is our guideline, how I do it. Okay, of course, this is from Mentor Daisy. Kasi majority sa inyo dito, nakita ko, no, you have a full-time job, or you're mom and dad, or you have a business, and then you're doing Usana as well. So, gone are the days na pagising Usana hanggang gabi Usana. Ngayon, people prefer like 2 to 3 hours a day, and I'm gonna earn this much. Agree? But if you tell them, gawin mo to siya whole day, and matulog ka at uwi ka na alas 12, no. But if you tell them 2 to 3 hours a day, as long as it's productive, it's points producing activity, and then you gonna earn this much. Possible. People would love it. Agree? Okay. So every day I choose my own time block. Oh, everybody say time block. Negosyo hours mo. Hindi naman pwedeng bukas ka ngayon, sarado ka bukas. Bukas ka ngayon, sarado ka naman bukas, sarado na naman bukas. Wala namang negosyong ganun. Lahat ng negosyo bukas, every day. Ang kagandahan lang with your business, ikaw bahala anong oras ka magbubukas. Okay, so itong time block ko, this is my Usana daily method of operations, like intentional connecting, intentional prospecting. The goal is to share Usana, at the same time set appointment for presentations and closing. Okay, so 1 to 2 hours a day or 3 hours, ikaw bahala what time of your day. And screenshot this one, I'll give you the activity later. And this is how we connect to people. Okay, SME. S is strengthen relationship because that builds loyalty and credibility on your end. Okay? So why would I choose you? Strengthen your relationship. Kahit mas mahal yung kahit mas may mura sa Shopee, they still buy at you. Sa'yo. Kahit mas mahal ka, kasi nga hindi ka nagpapa-discount, yung kabila nagpapa-discount, still they buy from you. Pinapirate na siya ng kabila, still loyal siya sa'yo because you have a relationship. Okay? Because of that, you can maximize volume. And how are we going to maximize volume? We educate to expand. Okay? We educate to expand. Okay, so screenshot this one, and this is our guide, no, how to build relationship and how to expand volume through education to expand. Okay? So this one, I learned this from GoPro. 2020 to 21, okay? Mentor Daisy and Mentor Romel invested a 6 months course with Eric Worre. Ayun, talagang hands-on. And I've been doing this since 2020, and I just hope, no, if we're gonna do a certain thing, consistency talaga. So consistency is the key. So this is my DMO for yung time block mo, I start with this. Okay? So, di ba may mindset na tayo na, okay, 10 to 15 loyal customers per month or at least 100 points per week. And I have to build at least 10 brand partners on my left and right. And these brand partners also have their own network or have their own 10 to 15 loyal customers or 500 points per month. All right. So since we need to build relationship at first, and mas madali na ngayon kasi may social media, everything we do starts with social media. And this is hybrid tayo, may social media and may offline. And your social media becomes your digital billboard. And social media can reach a lot kaysa one-on-one. Okay? Sige, before I elaborate this more, type 1, if nagso-social media ka. Type 2 is kung may time lang. Ayan. Type 1, if, yan, nagsa-social media. O tayo lahat nagsa-social media, di ba? Type 2, if wala nang tao. Ayan, si Mother Dear. Okay lang yan, Mama. We're tagging you always. Majority number 1, okay? So, itong flow na to, it's gonna be very easy sa inyo. Okay? Since I started this in 2020, I'll just share lang my journey ha. Ngayon is 2025. My niche market are doctors kasi that's how I started here. I'm a med rep. When I moved in Tacurong and Maguindanao area, I don't know anyone. I don't know any friends. So cold market talaga ako dito when I build here. And my strength is I was a med rep. And Usana is a pharma grade products. So nag-cover ako ng mga med reps. And I build relationship sa kanila. And through social media, it helps me na maging credible and trustworthy sa kanila. And when you say Usana, it's me. And I'm also visible offline in networking events. So networking online, networking offline. But the online really helps build my credibility in about Usana. And I always do this every day. Okay? So naturally, when I share Usana, non-threatening, when I invite them for coffee, alam nila hindi ko sila re-recruitin kasi I don't talk about Usana. Kasi alam natin building relationship. And sometimes naging casual na lang, asking them if they're open to know more about Usana. Okay, yan yung goal natin ha. When we invite, we ask. We don't kidnap. We ask if they're open. If they're open, set an appointment. So they know Usana ka na. If no, no. Okay? So, magaan yung pagbe-business if they know you're Usana, if you ask if they're open, and para kung mag-meet kayo, alam mo, direct to the point na. Okay? So, here's the flow what I learned from GoPro. So, yung time block mo, we start with this. Engage, nakalagay dyan, no? Step 1, ma-zoom ko ba? Hindi siya ma-zoom. Ayun. Step 1, engage your funnel of the day. Okay, later I will share the funnel of the day. Kaya tinanong ko kayo kanina kung meron kayong list. So, who to engage today in your list? So, ako personally, this really helps me a lot na I'm a mom, a homemaker, I have a public service activity. So, pag Usana time, alam ko na anong gagawin ko. Okay, hindi siya overwhelming for me. And eto no, react with in their timeline story, comment, PM with a quote or health tip. I will elaborate it more. Step 2, post in your story or timeline. Okay. And this may be your social media guide, what to post every day. Okay. And step 3, conversations to conversions. Okay. Everything starts with conversations. All right. So etong guide na to, the science behind this is how to work with the algorithm of social media. Okay, so social media wants content creators rather than consumers. So, how to prime your social media is first you engage, second you post, and then when you reply to those who engage, social media thinks, uy, this person is creating content for me. I will boost her more. Okay? Every time she posts, yung mga taong na-engage niya, nakikita niya lagi ang post ko. So this is how I build my Usana business na I only have a limited time na wala akong habing dito kasi 6 o'clock lang ang mga tao. Hindi uso dito ang gabi magbi-meet up. Hindi rin doable ang Saturday trainings and events. So, ako yung person na I have all the excuses na hindi ko kayang gawin sa Usana. So I build mostly online. Okay, so it really helps me in my many roles in life. And I only meet people offline kasi na-set ko na yung appointment and kasi nga, wala lang, mag-coffee kami. Okay? And then, ayan. So this strategy is very, ano to, um, darating yung point na they know, ang goal kasi natin, I don't know with you, ha? But this is my experience, my observation, and what I learned from GoPro. Don't hide na Usana ka. Nakita ba kayo na negosyante na tinatago niya yung business niya? Wala. People ngayon want to know what you do. Okay? Of course, curious sila what you really do in Usana, but hiding what you really do, parang ang hirap. Okay? If people know what you do, and you ask them if they're open to know more, mas madali na yung business. So that's my experience, and it will also save your time and your energy as well. Alright? So start tayo with step 1. Ayan. So step 1, ayan. Eto. Kasi ang dami nating prospect list, di ba? Eventually, be-build up din tayo. So on Monday, ngayon gawin niyo to ngayon kasi we'll finish this is my last slide. So you still have 30 minutes or an hour per your Usana if you have time. You can apply this one. On Monday, ayan. Ngayon is Wednesday, right? So ito, on Monday, check your notebook if nagsusulat ka ng DMO mo sa notebook or kung ano yung strategy mo. On Monday, lista mo na lahat. Sino yung mga na-engage mo last week? Okay? Engage meaning na-share mo about Usana, nakachika mo lang, na-meet mo lang, na-presentan mo lang. Lahat ng, or bagong new friend mo. Okay, lista mo yun lahat. And then, ang gagawin mo, I'll finish this one muna. And then on Tuesday naman, sino pipelines mo? Pipelines meaning, na-share mo na sila ng Usana, and then nagde-decide pa lang if they will buy the products or they will do the business. Okay? Wednesday, mga added mo sa prospect list. Di ba we prospect as we go and we expand our network. Thursday, ayan, added, no? Wednesday. Thursday, bukas, lahat ng customers mo, lahat ng retailers mo. Friday, lahat ng follow-ups mo. Saturday, lahat ng inactive associates, inactive users, ay mga taong nag-know sa'yo. Okay? So, anong psychology nito? If you engage to them once a week, every time you post, nakikita nila. So, advertisement perspective, the more they see you, okay? Di ba yung mga advertisement, di ka naman bibili, pero lagi mong nakikita, na-memorize mo na lang yung advertisement nila, ang advertisement. And if you need a certain product, ikaw yung nai-remember nila or yung brand mo ang nai-remember nila. Okay? And ganito to, if we don't engage our prospect list, kung mag-post tayo, hindi nila nakikita. But if we engage our prospect list, nakikita na yung post natin. And that's the goal. Sa advertisement part. Okay? Are we learning? Yan. And then next. Okay, Wednesday ngayon, no? Added. Anong gawin ko, Coach? Nalista ko na. Ito ang gawin mo. Okay? Mamaya ha, ilista nyo ha. Okay? Mamaya, ang gawin mo, this is a social media algorithm, teammates. Okay, I'm so happy I knew this one. Go to their social media. Okay? React to their timeline and or story. Anong i-react ko, Coach Len? Heart. Ay, Coach Len, lalaki ako, tapos babae siya, tapos heart. Never mind. Ang heart kasi, if you react with a heart, mas malaki yung points niya sa algorithm. Okay? And if they heart back to your post or to your story, mas lalong tataas yung algorithm. That's why I have clients na hindi ko friends, but nakikita ako, nag-a-appear ako sa timeline nila. Okay? Kasi may mga gusto sila na fina-follow na links. And then, I also post the same way. So, na-link. Ito yung natural boosting ni social media. You don't have to pay. This is natural boosting. Okay? And then, comment. Okay? Ano yung comment ko, question? Kung ano yung post niya, di ba? This is the art of making friends. And then, PM them with a quote or health tip. So, na may naka-ready na akong quote, yung iba napaka-aesthetic, gagawa talaga sila sa Canva. Okay? If ako naman nag-grab lang ako sa Usana, yung mga quotes or mga health tips, or I just take a screenshot. Okay? If you have time, you can make your own. Is this doable? It's very doable. So, yan lang yung gagawin mo. Okay? Pag may mag-reply, mamaya ka na mag-reply. I-warm up mo muna si social media mo and your prospect list. Okay? So, who to engage today? Again, na-share ko kanina yung per day. And then, what you're gonna do first is go to their timeline and story, react with a heart on their latest post and their story, and then PM with a quote or health tip. Okay? Is that easy? Very easy yun. Okay? Very doable. Next! Ano gawin ko after nun? Magpo-post ka na. Okay? Mag-post ka na in your story and your timeline. So, in your social media, our timeline, less business. Kasi kung puro na lang tayo business, parang katalog na tayo ng Usana. Okay? But in your story, as a timeline, people want to know you. Okay? In your story, you can be business heavy. Why? Kasi sa story, people choose to watch your story. No, mga behind the scenes in your days. So ako, behind the scene plus Usana, behind the scene Usana. Okay, and quote. So it's okay to be very business heavy, call to actions in your timeline because people choose to watch your story. Timeline, ay ng mga tao na puro ka na lang negosyo, no? Puro na lang paweran, puro na lang motivational quotes, no? Comment ng isang friend ko na coffee shop chain owner in Davao. Ayaw nila ng mga networkers kasi feeling influencers. Mga pa-quote-quote and then mga pa-sports car, mga ganon. Hindi na siya authentic. Okay? Feeling influencers na, wala lang, feeling influencers, but hindi naman mga artista. Sabi ko, nga, no? But if you are like you, no, authentic, people would love you. So this is the guide. This is from GoPro again. Monday, about you. About you. You're a mom, you're a wife, you work here. Anything about you, your hobbies. Tuesday, product. Okay, storytelling type na ngayon, no? Storytelling type ng products. Wednesday, about you again. Thursday, about business, what you learn, business wins, or call to actions mo about the business. Friday, about you, and then Saturday, call to action. Okay? I just did this for a year. And then, this really helped me build my brand. People know you. People are not scared to meet you. Okay? People want to know you. And if you share Usana, they're so open. So ngayon, mag-1 year pa lang ako sa RHU namin, but majority of them are my consumers. And kahapon, every Tuesday yung duty ko, one of my staff told me, Ma'am, gusto talaga namin yung Cellsentials mo kasi napaka-energetic mo. Sa sahod, bibili kami. Nag-post ako kanina ng resurfacing serum experience ko sa Lviv. May sila no sa RH nag-comment, Ma'am, ano yung about sa skincare mo? Ganun. So, indirect marketing versus me na puro sharing. So, let the social media do the market for you. Okay? Is this helpful? Alam niyo, in your 2 hours, talagang sa conversations, you can really set appointment, you can educate about the products, you can set appointment for presentation or set appointment for meet up for relationship building and mga inquiries and others. Alright? So after mo mag-post, ayan, saka mo na tingnan yung nag-reply. Okay? Kung sino yung nag-reply, Huwag pitch in agad. Conversations. 'Di ba? Communications. And eventually, conversations lead to conversions. Okay? Conversions, they can be your customers, they can be your referral partners, they can be your brand partners. From conversations to conversions to relationship building, eventually end up your consumers. I do this every day. Okay? Walang mintes. If I have an hour, I just make sure I'm able to do this. I leave room for conversations. Mamaya, sometimes pagod na ako. I just do this before I sleep. Tomorrow morning, meron na akong conversations na re-replyan. And that's how I build a network of friends here in Sultan Kudarat. I really not from here. Pero ang dami kong kilala. And what I learned ngayon, not all maging brand partner. Kasi not all has that willingness and commitment to go through the process. And that's okay. Everybody can be your customer, but not everyone can be a brand partner. Dati na-hurt ako pag after PPPS, parang naglaylo. And then I realized, ganun talaga, di ba? We just keep on sponsoring, building relationship, perpetual building, and eventually you can find the right person. Okay, you can find the right person like you. So tayo na perpetual builders, talagang negosyante, that's how we do it, di ba? So meron nga dito, I mean, in Davao City, nagsarado nga yung McDonald's sa lahat ng malls. Hindi naman lahat. Maraming malls nagsara, di ba? Nasad ba si McDo? Wala naman. Nabibili ulit ng McDo. So after the pandemic, I met one of their engineer kasi kumain ako sa McDo dito. Narinig ko lang sila. Alam niyo, meeting nila, that was after pandemic. Ang goal nila, lahat ng lugar na walang McDo, mag-open ang McDo. And kung may McDonald's na, yung big cities, mag-expand ng tatlong branches per barangay. Grabe, di ba? O 7-Eleven, wala namang 7-Eleven sa Visayas and Mindanao noon. At pumasok na sila. At alam niyo anong marketing strategy ng 7-Eleven? Lahat ng kanto may 7-Eleven. Yan yung mindset nila. Kung may nagsasara ba na 7-Eleven, meron naman kasi hindi profitable. But continue pa rin si 7-Eleven. Okay? Yung franchise namin na pharmacy ni Doc, continue pa rin sila kahit nagsarado na ako. I'm just one of those branches that didn't work out. It didn't work out. Okay? So as a perpetual builder, we continue sharing and expanding because that's the two things we do in this business. We share, we sponsor for scale. For those brand partners who wants to scale, sponsoring, okay? Expand ng branches. Some people just want to share and it's okay. Still, it is product movement. Okay? So, I hope we learn a lot. So I'll end you with this quote. Okay? Kasi ito na yung season ngayon eh. Kasi tinanong ko kayo kanina. Lumabas na siya sa feed kanina. Ito, sabi niya, a pattern I've noticed in successful people. Okay? They're terrible at work-life balance, but great at work-life integration. Okay? They don't separate being a mom and then business, work, business, daughter, business mo, then Yusana. They blend. Their work is play. So, nung nabigyan ako ng role, no, for those who hindi pa tayo talagang we know each other, my in-laws is in politics. So, my father-in-law is the former mayor, my sister-in-law is the mayor, mga ganong level counselor sila, mga ganon. And this year, binigyan ako ng role kasi sabi nila, yung skills daw natin sa USANA, dapat daw i-share sa community level. And I told my in-laws, if it's a full-time work, no. Kasi full-time ko is USANA and kids. But if it's part-time and flexible, I'm okay with it. So they gave me a workable, flexible time in RHU. And I don't see it as work, but an opportunity to expand my network. So, networking activities ko ang work. So, like kanina, binigyan ako ng role mag-report go kasi sa networking activity for me. And automatically, through our DMO, lahat ng mga bago na kilala ko doon, no, chika-chika, conversation, I add them on Facebook. Okay? They scroll my Facebook kasi our Facebook is our digital portfolio. Now, after dito, I will message them. Hi, madam. Nice to meet you kanina. And then quote. Tomorrow, lahat ng post ko makikita na nila. Every post ko, maglalabas ako sa feed nila. And that's how I grow and expand my network. Okay? So their work is play. Their play creates work. Their friends are your partners. Their hobbies become your businesses. While everyone's trying to clock out at 5 p.m., they're building empires doing what they do for free. Okay? So kasi majority sa atin are nag-work and then you sana have other business and then you sana our profession and then you sana. So it's not mamaya ko na lang gawin si Usana, but let's build the business. Let's integrate Usana to our current lifestyle. Okay? So that's it. Thank you so much for inviting me, Coach Sean, and hope that's valuable. Okay, yan lang yung ginagawa ko since 2020. Ito ang activity from GoPro and sa tinuro ni Mentor Daisy. Back to you, host.
Ayan, thank you so much, Mentor Len, for the insightful training. Grabe, ang dami naming na-learn tonight. Ayan. And yung parang yung training ngayon, it has reminded us that yung true growth in business, 'di ba, doesn't start with hype, but it start with a solid foundation. Ayan. And yung foundation na yun is built given na yung numbers but more on relationships, consistency, and yung genuine service natin. Ayan. So serve first, 'di ba? To build trust and to grow your base. Ayan. And guys, let's learn to practice yung sinabi ni Mentor Len na 10 active customers from our left and right. And para magkaroon tayo nun, dun yung pa rin papatak sa DMO. So, yun, importante talaga yung DMO. So, we need to respect our DMO. Ayan. So, thank you so much, Mentor Len. Pero before ka namin, Mentor Len, i-let go dito sa Zoom, okay lang po na magpa-picture po kami. Ayan. Guys, let's open our camera sa mga makakapag-open. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ayan. Have a great night and see you next week.
Thank you, Mentor.
Thank you po, Len.
Thank you.
Thank you.